Shrinjoy, a mechanical engineer from Guwahati, and today I am going to discuss about number system, a typical topic that you are going to get on your 9th and 10th standard mathematics. So let's dig in. Numbers. What are numbers? Numbers are typically those tools which are used for counting, and the system that governs this entire process is called number system. What are real numbers? Real numbers are those numbers which you use for calculating any dimensions. Any number that you can think of are real numbers. What are unreal numbers? Numbers not used for normal calculations like root over -1. That cannot be used for normal calculations, right? What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are instinctive numbers, numbers which comes up to your head automatically. For example, if I ask you to count how many pens do I have, you would say 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all natural numbers. What are whole numbers then? Whole numbers are a combination of all the natural numbers along with 0. What do you mean by an integer then? Integer are those typical numbers which cannot be represented as a fraction. Example, -2, 0, 1. These are all integers. What is a fraction then? Fraction are those numbers which will be represented in the form of a by b, where a and b both should be natural numbers. Example, 1 by 4, 7 by 8, all fractions. What are decimals? Decimals are nothing but a combination of both two kind of numbers, to be precise. A whole number followed by a small point and a fractional part, 0.25, 1.28, all are decimals. There are two kind of decimals, to be precise. One is a terminating decimal. Now those decimals, for example 0.128, the number ends at 8, and hence this is a terminating decimal number. On the other hand, 0.33 ... this is a non-terminating recurring decimal. The number is repeating itself. What do you mean by a rational number? Rational numbers are also represented in the form of a by b, where a and b both should be integers. Needless to say, the b part, the below part, can never be equal to 0. All fractions are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not fractions. Irrational numbers are those numbers which are non-terminating and non-recurring. Suppose 0.128567 ... The number is not ending, but there is no repetitions as well. Typical example would be root over 7, root over 2. Even numbers, numbers which can be divided by 2 into 2 equal halves, or numbers when divided by 2 will give you a whole number. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8, these are all even numbers. And all other numbers apart from these numbers are odd numbers. Prime numbers, now there are certain numbers like 13 that can be divided by 13 and 1 to get a whole number. No other number on this earth can produce a whole number if you divide 13 by it. Alright, these are prime numbers. Composite numbers. What are composite numbers? All other numbers apart from the prime numbers are composite numbers. Simple as that, no rocket science. A typical number line looks somewhat like this, where 0 being the midpoint, all the numbers on the right hand side are positive numbers and will increase its value along the line. All the number on the left hand side of 0 are negative numbers and will decrease down the line. 0. Now, what is a 0? Is it a prime number? No. Is it a composite number? Absolutely not. It is neither a positive nor a negative number as well. Then what is 0? If you closely observe, you divide 0 by 2, you get 0, which is a whole number, and hence 0 is an even number. Alright, so this was exactly what number system was all about. This is a flow chart which will give you all the topics that I have covered. I hope you have a lovely day ahead. That was Shrinjoy signing off. Have a great day.